If you want to connect MailChimp to Thinkific, this step-by-step guide will show you how to set everything up using Zapier in just a few minutes. This is a great workflow if you want to automate your email marketing, keep your student list organized, and save time by connecting your course platform to your mailing system without doing everything manually. Before we jump in, make sure you hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Now let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Zapier. Zapier is the platform we'll use to connect Thinkific and MailChimp together. Once you're on the Zapier website, click on Create. This is where you start building a new automation. After that, click on Zaps. A zap is simply the workflow that connects one app to another, so this is the section you need to build the integration. Next, click on Trigger. The trigger is the event that starts the automation, so this is where you choose what happens in Thinkific to begin the workflow. In the search bar, type Thinkific and click on it when it appears. Then choose an event from the list. You can select any event that makes sense for your setup, depending on what you want to automate between Thinkific and MailChimp. After selecting the event, log into your Thinkific account when prompted. This allows Zapier to access the account and detect the trigger you want to use. Once the trigger side is ready, click on Action. The action is what happens next in the automation, and in this case, it will be something inside MailChimp. Now, search for MailChimp and click on it from the results. Then click on Choose an Event and select any event that matches your goal, such as adding a subscriber or updating a contact. After that, log into your MailChimp account when prompted. This connects your email marketing account to Zapier so the workflow can send information automatically. Once both accounts are connected, click on Build It in the top section. This takes you into the final setup area where you can review and confirm everything. Now, click on Test Run. This is an important step because it lets you make sure the automation works correctly before publishing it live. If the test looks good, go ahead and review the details one more time. Make sure the correct Thinkific trigger and MailChimp action are selected and that the account connections are working properly. When everything is ready, click on Publish. That will turn on the automation and officially connect MailChimp to Thinkific through Zapier. From this point forward, your workflow can run in the background and help you automate your student and email processes. This is an easy way to reduce manual work and build a smarter system for your online business. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.